Hello everyone, today we will compare Clixlo and Pipeline Pro, two sales and marketing automation platforms. So Clixlo is designed to help businesses automate their sales funnels, manage leads, and enhance customer engagement with a user-friendly interface and robust tools. While Pipeline Pro focus on optimizing sales processes with features like lead tracking, pipeline management, and sales automation, making it easier for businesses to close more deals. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Clixlo and Pipeline Pro, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the features comparison. And when we talk about the core functionality, Clixlo is an all-in-one marketing platform with CRM, funnel builder, and email marketing, while Pipeline Pro is a sales funnel with CRM platform designed for managing leads and sales pipelines. When we talk about CRM capabilities, Clixlo is integrated CRM for tracking leads, contacts, and sales activities, while Pipeline Pro have advanced CRM with pipeline management, lead tracking, and automation features. When we talk about funnel building, Clixlo is a drag and drop funnel builder with customizable templates, while Pipeline Pro have funnel builder designed for creating sales funnels, landing pages, and lead capture forms. When we talk about email marketing, Clixlo have built-in email marketing tools with automation and segmentation, while Pipeline Pro have email marketing features integrated with the CRM for targeted campaigns. And when we talk about the landing pages, Clixlo is very customizable landing page builder with variety of templates, while Pipeline Pro have landing page builder optimized for conversion with A and B testing options. And when we talk about automation, Clixlo have workflow automation for lead nurturing and sales processes, while Pipeline Pro have advanced automation for sales follow-ups, lead management, and campaign tracking. And when we talk about integration, Clixlo integrates with third-party apps like Zapier, Stripe, and PayPal, while Pipeline Pro integrates with major CRM, email marketing, and payment platforms. And lastly, for analytics and reporting, Clixlo have detailed analytics and reporting on campaigns, funnels, and sales performance, while Pipeline Pro have comprehensive reporting on sales, pipeline, conversion rates, and campaign effectiveness. So yes, that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. And when we talk about the starting price, Clixlo offer $97 per month for their starting price, while Pipeline Pro offers $37 per month for their starting price, which is the basic plan. For their top tier plan, Clixlo have customizable pricing for enterprise plan, while Pipeline Pro offers almost $300 per year, and that is also a lifetime access. And when they talk about the free trial, so Clixlo have a 14-day free trial available. Same thing with Pipeline Pro. So you don't have to worry, they offer free trials. So lastly, when it comes to included features, Clixlo have all plans include CRM, funnel builder, email marketing, and automation, while Pipeline Pro plans include CRM, funnel builder, landing pages, and some integrations. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the performance. So when we talk about the ease of use, Clixlo is a user-friendly, designed for marketers and small businesses, and Pipeline Pro is also an intuitive and straightforward, focus on sales team and entrepreneurs. And when we talk about their customization flexibility, Clixlo is highly customizable with a focus on marketing and lead generation, while Pipeline Pro focus on customization for sales, pipeline, and CRM. And when we talk about the integration compatibility, Clixlo have broad range of integration with marketing and payment tools, while Pipeline Pro have compatible with a variety of CRM and marketing platforms. And lastly, for automation and efficiency, Clixlo have strong automation capabilities for marketing workflows and sales processes, while Pipeline Pro have robust automation for lead nurturing, sales follow-ups, and reporting. So yes, that's it for the simple performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer support. So when we talk about their support channels, so both Clixlo and Pipeline Pro have email support live chat, and knowledge base. So they're just the same. And when we talk about the onboarding assistance, so Clixlo have personalized onboarding for new users, while Pipeline Pro have guided onboarding with tutorials and resources. So which is good. And when we talk about the community support, Clixlo have access to a user community and support forum. Same thing with Pipeline Pro with additional social media groups. And yes, that's it. When it comes to customer satisfaction, Clixlo is generally positive reviews, especially for its CRM and funnel building, while Pipeline Pro have high customer satisfaction for ease of use and effectiveness in sales pipeline management. So yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, customer support. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing Clixlo pros and cons. And when we talk about the pros, Clixlo is an all-in-one platform with CRM, funnel builder, and email marketing, making it a versatile tool for marketers. Also, they have highly customizable templates and automation features, allowing for tailored marketing campaigns. And lastly, they have user-friendly interface designed for quick setup and ease of use, even for non-technical users. So for the cons, Clixlo pricing is higher compared to other platforms, which may be a drawback for small businesses and a tight budget. And while comprehensive, the platform might be overwhelming for users who only need specific features. And lastly, they are limited to integration mostly with its ecosystem, requiring third-party tools for border compatibility. So that's it for the Clixlo pros and cons. And now let's talk about the pipeline pros and cons. And when it comes to pros, Pipeline Pro focus on sales pipeline management and CRM, making it an excellent tool for sales teams and entrepreneurs. And also, they have affordable pricing with a lifetime access options, providing long-term value. And lastly, they have simple and intuitive interface designed for effective lead tracking and sales management. That's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Pipeline Pro less robust in marketing and funnel building features compared to all-in-one platforms like Clixlo. And also, they may require additional tools for plugins for advanced marketing automation and email marketing. And lastly, the platform's focus on sales may not meet the needs of businesses looking for a comprehensive marketing solutions. So that's it for the Pipeline Pro pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Clixlo. Clixlo is referable for someone who needs an all-in-one marketing platform that includes CRM, funnel building, email marketing, and automation tools. Or someone who values the ability to create highly customizable marketing campaigns and workflows. And lastly, someone who runs a small to mid-sized businesses and needs scalable solution for managing leads, sales, and marketing activities. So if you have all of these qualities, Clixlo is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Pipeline Pro is referable for someone who is focused primarily on sales pipeline, management, and CRM functionality. Someone who wants a straightforward, cost-effective solution with a strong emphasis on lead tracking and sales automation. And lastly, someone who operates as a solopreneur, entrepreneur, or within a small sales team and needs a tool specifically designed to streamline the sales process. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Pipeline Pro is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms offer strong platforms tailored to different needs. So Clixlo is ideal for businesses that requires a comprehensive marketing solution with robust CRM and automation features. On the other hand, Pipeline Pro is a perfect fit for those who need a focused, cost-effective tools for managing sales pipelines and CRM. So you need to choose the platform that best aligns with your business goals and the specific tasks you need to accomplish. If this comparison helped you, please like and comment and subscribe for more insightful reviews and comparison, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.